Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been working with Wix but feel your website needs a fresh start, or maybe you just want to completely start over with a blank canvas, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through deleting your Wix website and creating a brand new one from scratch. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to wipe the slate clean and build the site you really want. Let's jump right in. First, let's head to your Wix dashboard. This is where all your websites are listed. Take a moment to look over the list and identify the site you want to delete. That's important because once it's gone, you can't get it back. Click on the site you're ready to remove. You'll notice three little dots on the right, usually called the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click those. Now you'll see an option that says Move to Trash. Clicking this doesn't delete your site permanently just yet. It's a bit like moving files to your computer's recycle bin. This gives you a safety net in case you change your mind or realize you picked the wrong site. So don't worry if this step feels a little nerve-wracking. It's not final at this point. Once you've moved your site to trash, let's navigate to the trash itself. It's usually located in the sidebar or under your site management menu. Head over there and you'll see the site you just trashed. Again, you'll see those three dots next to the site's name. Click them and now you'll get the Remove Site option. This is the big one. Clicking Remove here permanently deletes the website from your Wix account. Wix will likely ask you to confirm just to be absolutely sure you're ready. Take a deep breath, make sure you're deleting the right site and click Remove. It might take a couple of moments for Wix to process and fully remove the site, so don't worry if you see a little loading animation. Alright, with your old site gone, let's look at how to create a brand new Wix website from scratch. Head back to the main site's page. This is your central hub for everything Wix. You'll see an option that says Create New Site. Click into that, and now you'll be prompted to choose a template or starting point. If you truly want to build your site from the very beginning, select Studio Blank Canvas. Think about this as starting with an untouched sheet of paper. There are no designs or presets, so you have total creative freedom. Click into that, and Wix will set up an entirely fresh workspace for you. This is perfect if you want complete control over every element, with nothing left over from your previous site. If you're new to this, don't worry, Wix has lots of resources and built-in guides to help you as you design your new site. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your old Wix website and started again from a blank canvas. Whether you're rebranding, learning from past mistakes, or just craving a new look, this process gives you a clean break so you can focus on what's next. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need help with something in Wix, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to reply. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more simple, easy-to-follow guides just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new site.